Hi friends, I'm Swati and today we are going to look one of my dad's finest art and it's called Girigitli. So he used to do in his childhood, then he started doing it for us and now his grandchildren's. And it's fun, so I just wanted for you all to see how it is done. It's very easy.
So now let's start. All you need is empty coconut. These coconut by nature are empty. Usually, girigitli is made using this seed from a fruit called honekai in Kannada. It's a medicinal tree and the seed is used to make oil. So now how to get this seed from market? Oh no! Birds eat the fruit and leave the seed behind. Most of the time, the seed is found under a coconut tree. Always use a fresh seed. If the color of the seed is dark, it means it is too dry and can break when you're trying to do holes. Use a thick needle and make 3 holes, one on the top, one on the bottom and one on the side. Dig in and remove the soft part inside of the seed. Discard it. We are gonna use only the outer shell. Here, if you're using a coconut, then you need to make holes using a driller. Listen to the sound. This means it's empty. To make girigitli, you need coconut or honekai, 2 to 3 broomsticks, a thread, a blade and a candy stick. Looks like even Sky is interested to make one girigitli for her. So here the best part is how to remove the thread from the coconut shell. Close the hole at the bottom and blow air from the top. For me, this was the most fun part.
Science.
Wait. मस्त दीघ असला रे त्या दीघ असून कटकन काढी बाहेर आला अंगा कपड़ा अजिला वेला के यानी या इक्वलेट हो कपड़ा अंगा
Height. Okay.
मतलब विचार करता हूँ ना क्या थिंक है